Hello and welcome to section 4.3 on the mean value theorem. In this video, we will see how calculus supports an everyday observation, first formalized by Rolle in 1691. If an object that moves along a straight line is at the same location at two distinct points in time, then at some point in time, the object was not in motion. Now, it could be that the object moved to a point, paused for an instant, and then continued moving. Or the object passed the point, stopping to turn around at a later time. Stated formally, Rolle's theorem says that a function which is continuous on the closed interval ab, differentiable on the open interval ab, and the y value of the endpoints, f of a and f of b, are equal, then at some value c between a and b, the derivative at c is 0. If f was a constant, the statement would be true, because the derivative is 0 everywhere. So let's assume that f isn't constant. We are then guaranteed a value d between a and b, for which f of d is not equal to either f of a or f of b. This means that f of d is either greater than or less than f of a. Let's just assume that f of d is larger than f of a. Since f is continuous on a closed interval, the extreme value theorem guarantees an absolute maximum and an absolute minimum on the interval a to b. Since f of d is larger than f of a and f of b, neither a nor b can be maximums. So the maximum must be at a value c, which is in the open interval a to b. Since c is an absolute maximum, not at an endpoint, it is also a local maximum. Fermat's theorem says that local maximum are critical numbers, so f prime of c is equal to 0 or f prime of c does not exist. However, the assumption we began with was that f was differentiable. Therefore, f prime of c must exist, and it must be 0, which was exactly what we're trying to show. Fermat's theorem categorizes turning points as critical numbers. Rolle's theorem makes all points differentiable, so the turning point must coincide with a horizontal tangent. Rolle's theorem also implies something more powerful. There is a point along a differentiable segment whose tangent line is parallel to the secant line formed by the endpoints. This observation leads to the mean value theorem, which, along with Rolle's theorem, we'll take a closer look at in class. You've seen the basics. Now gain mastery through practice and study.